Hello and welcome to Sree Vishnu Academy. In this video, we will guide you through using our online test portal. Once you enroll, you will receive your login details via email. If you haven't received them, please contact us at the provided email or phone number or register using the link in the video description. With your login details, visit sreevishnuacademy.etutor.co and log in with your student ID and password. Upon logging in, you will see three main sections at the top. The first one is Home, the current page you are on, and the second one is Practice Dashboard. Here you will find a list of practice questions that you can attempt multiple times. You can select the subject at the top to see the chapters available. And the third one is Test Reports. This section provides detailed reports of the test you have already completed. Back on the home page, you'll see a list of tests assigned to you. Each chapter has 3 question papers with varying difficulty levels like easy, medium and hard. For each incorrect answer, 1 mark is deducted, and for each correct answer, 4 marks are awarded. There are total of 219 question papers, out of which 216 are chapter-wise papers, each lasting for 60 minutes, and 3 comprehensive papers lasting 3 hours each, covering all the subjects. Unlike practice questions, these test papers can only be attempted once. Now let's see how to answer a question paper and view the results. We will take Electrochemistry 3 for an example. Upon starting the test, you will see instructions on how to proceed. Please read this carefully and then click Start. To answer a question, simply select the appropriate option and click Save and Next. To move to the next question, on the right, you can navigate through the questions. Green indicates viewed and answered question, red indicates viewed but unanswered questions, and gray indicates questions that haven't been viewed. You can also mark questions for review and return to them later. Once you have completed the test, click Submit and finish it. You will see your score here, and by clicking Review, you can check your correct and incorrect answers along with the solutions. You can view the solutions anytime by going to the test and clicking Review. And you can also find this in the Test Reports tab. That's it. If you face any challenges or have any questions, please reach out to us at the given email ID or phone number. All the very best and thank you for choosing Sree Vishnu Academy.